City of Anaheim is part of the Orange County Council of Governments because we feel it is absolutely essential that the COG be a vehicle to make sure Orange County is represented with a consistent, consensus-based voice on important land use planning and regional decisions that pertain to housing and transportation and a host of federal and state mandates.
By far the most important issue facing us is housing. We have much less housing than we need, and as a result, that housing is not affordable because of the supply and demand issue. And therefore, employers are increasingly looking at whether they want to bring their companies to Orange County to hire people who might be very well educated, very well qualified, but might not be able to afford the housing here.
The most critical issue facing Orange County, Southern California, and really the state of California is the cost of housing and our ability to retain young people here in California.
The most critical issues facing our county and our region really pertain to population growth and making sure that we are growing in a way that is sustainable, that makes sure that we have adequate and quality housing, transportation, mobility, and air quality, and other elements that are absolutely essential to quality of life, including a sustainable water supply. The COG, as part of the Southern California Association of Governments, is working together to make sure those planning considerations are taking into account, again, the tailored and the specific needs of each of our cities.
Let's face it, Orange County has its own set of values and needs and uniqueness that's not the same as the rest of Southern California. And so we need to have a voice that represents the interests of Orange County and the values of Orange County when we deal with the other 5 counties. There are 6 counties in SCAG, we're one of those. And we just have a different perspective on things. It's important that our needs and our interests be represented on the Southern California Association of Governments.
It's incredibly important for OCCOG to come together and bring the business community, elected officials, and academia together to work on housing, because there are tremendous pressures on housing and land development, and the only way that we can get to solutions is by working together.
Working together
to make a better
Orange County.